Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, good afternoon. Today, in this video, I would like to explain about definition and components of syllabus. Before we go to the material, let me introduce myself. My name is Suhendar. I'm from English Education Program, Class 2C. The first material is definition of syllabus. It is contained of according to Kamus Besar Bahasa Indonesia and according to experts. Okay, according to Kamus Besar Bahasa Indonesia, syllabus is a framework for elements of an educational course presented in logical rules or in increasing difficulty levels or an overview of a lesson. According to experts, according to Salim, 1987, syllabus is an outline, summary, ikhtisar, or main point of content or learning material. According to Yulaya Lawati, in 2004, syllabus is a set of plans and arrangement for the implementation of learning and assessment that are arranged systematically containing interrelated components to achieve mastery of basic competencies. And the last is according to Mulyasa 2010, syllabus is a learning plan in a group of subjects with specific themes, which includes competency standards, basic competencies, learning materials, indicators, assessments, time allocation, and learning resources that developed by each educational unit. Okay, continue to the next material will be components of syllabus. There are 8 components of syllabus. The first is competency standards, basic competencies, subject matter or learning, learning activities, indicators, evaluation, time allocation, and learning resources. Competency standards are a set of standardized competencies that students must achieve as a result of their learning in each educational unit, used to guide the translation of basic competencies into learning experience. Okay, the next is basic competencies. Basic competencies are the minimum ability in each subject that students must achieve. The basic competencies in the syllabus serve to direct the teacher about the targets that must be achieved in learning. The next is subject matter. Subject matter is the subject matters that must be studied by students as a means of achieving basic competencies and which will be assessed using an assessment instrument, which is arranged based on indicators of learning achievement. Learning activities. Learning activities are generally forms or patterns of learning activities to be carried out. The learning strategy includes face-to-face and non-face-to-face activities. The next is indicators. Indicators are markers of the achievement of basic competencies characterized by measurable changes in behavior that include attitudes, knowledge, and skills. Indicators are used as a basic for developing assessment tools. The next is assessment or evaluation. Assessment tools can be in the form of tests and non-tests. In assessment, learning is carried out to assess the achievement of basic competencies and indicators in each subject. Okay, the next is time allocation. The determination of time allocation for each basic competency is based on the number of effective weeks and the allocation of time for subjects per week by considering the number of basic competencies, breadth, depth, level of difficulty, and level of importance of basic competencies. And the last is learning resources. Learning resources are references, objects, and or materials used for learning activities. Learning resources can be in the form of print and electronic media resource person as well as the physical, natural, social, and cultural environment. Determination of learning resources is based on competency standards and basic competencies, as well as main learning materials, learning activities, and competency achievement indicators. These are the example of syllabus. As we can see here, there are kompetensi standar, materi pembelajaran, kegiatan pembelajaran, and also, yeah, that's all. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.